at the same rate, so then everything's getting done at the same time.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for being here and sharing this with us. We sure appreciate it.
Great, thank you.
All right, the only reason I'm stopping eating is because I have to go over here. And I don't want to gross anybody out while trying to give you that forecast. All right, I do want to show you the big picture here. I love doing this sometimes, showing you what's been driving our weather here that led us into this active pattern that brought in our first rain chances Tuesday evening. Again, we had the rain overnight into Wednesday morning, tapered off. We had a lull, some showers fired up eastern Oklahoma yesterday morning, a few spotty showers yesterday, and then more rains rolled in late yesterday evening into this morning. Why? We're on the northeastern edge of this ridge. We've told you ridges of high pressure. When you're underneath these, it's hot, it's dry, it's quiet. That was pretty much August for us, right? We had that over top of us. Now that we're on the northeast side of it, storm systems go up and over the ridge. We've got the jet stream over top of us, river of fast-moving air. We've got storm systems riding in that. That's also pumping in a lot of moisture from the Pacific in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. And you've noticed the humidity pick up as we went through the week. That's fuel for the storm systems. That's also in the lower levels of the atmosphere. We actually have southerly winds bringing in moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. All that coming together to give us some rain chances here. And the pattern's not changing for us into the weekend, which means we're going to have some more chances of at least another round or two working through parts of the area. We're going to have to watch that for you. Okay, so here's what it looks like now. We've got showers that have been spreading in. That's yesterday evening, kind of exploded across the eastern half. That worked east. Some overnight showers. Those have pushed east, and now we've got this batch of rain that's coming in. Good news is best chance of severe weather, really the last couple of days, has always been to the west of us. That's fine. We don't want the severe weather. We just want the beneficial rainfall. As these showers have been strong out to the west of us, as they've been pushing east, they've been weakening. So we're just getting some rain and a little bit of lightning, but it is spreading across the River Valley and the Ouachitas. These are areas that have seen the least amount of rainfall going back to Tuesday evening. So it's good. Steady showers, though, spreading across Sequoia, LaFleur, spreading into Scott, Logan, Sebastian, Crawford, into Franklin. We've got some scattered thunderstorms around Johnson County there, mostly in the higher elevations. Again, we're going to continue to watch this batch of rain spread into far eastern Oklahoma and crossing the state line. Rain's working back into the I-49 corridor. Madison and Carroll counties overall quiet. Storms kind of fired up quickly in the higher elevations of Johnson County. A lot of that rain stayed to the north, but we got some light showers in Clarksville. Again, you notice the intensity comes down. The rain spreads in from the west to the east. Best chances for rain is going to be through the morning hours, and then we're going to look for the showers. Here we go as we go through the afternoon. See how they decrease quickly through the afternoon? That's what we're going to look for. Rain's going to decrease out of the area. We're going to get the clouds to break up. Sunshine's going to come in. It's going to be a muggy day for us, and by the time Friday night football games are kicking off across 5 country, we're going to be quiet. We're going to be dry. We're not going to be dealing with rainfall. The ground still may be pretty soggy for you out there, so keep that in mind. May even want to take a little towel with you to maybe wipe off those bleachers if they're still a little damp and the sunshine didn't dry it up for you. All right, here we go. Saturday, what do you need to know? It's going to be warm. It is going to be muggy, mix of sun and clouds. A stray shower is possible Saturday. I think the next best chance of rain comes in as we go Saturday evening, maybe more late evening into the overnight. We're working on the timing of that, and that's as a front comes in. That front's going to keep scattered shower chances around Sunday.